Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I have a chance to install those lights in my backyard, so I decided to make a video. As you can see, these are LED low voltage landscaping lights. Low voltage means they are 12 volt and 3 watt. Actually, I have already lighting controller system. I show you here with the stainless steel box. It was already installed to my house, and I checked already. The transformer inside is 300 watt, and I have already a lot of lights here in my front yard. Each light is like a 4 watt. So I have calculated in my this area, like I'm gonna put some lights here, and I have a grass. I'm going to plant some trees, some flowers here. So I have estimated I'm going to install almost 20 more lights. So that's why it's really important for me to have low wattage, because my transformer gonna be run out the size. Then I have to add another system or something else, or I have to upgrade. So basically, if I have these one and I'm gonna add like say 20 more, I'm gonna add more 60 watts, and my front yard is already like 200 watts, so I'm still undersized. So I decided to use those low voltage. I will be opening box, installing in this area, and we will test tonight how they look. Now let's start. I'm gonna put my camera on the stand and I will open box. I'm gonna pull one box and we will check. Earlier I checked already. They look pretty nice. They already sealed here, so we have to open here, then we'll come off. We have 4 lights in box. They all comes in parts we have to assemble. Like you have like at the top, the bottom goes in the ground, and this is the light. We got some wire nut. I'm gonna open some. Here we go. These are all the bottom parts gonna go to the ground. Whatever inside. This is the part gonna go on the top, and that's the light. And also comes with some wire nut. These are wire nut gel type. If they don't come back, you need to get the gel type so you don't get water inside. So it's really easy and simple. You will see this wire goes on the side. You just screw here. You're gonna tight, and we're gonna push in the ground and the top. It just, I seen in my old lights, they are just like threaded. This one, or you just thread it. So this one is thread in. So there we go. That's the complete light. Now we're gonna install and make some connections. So these lights are 12 volt AC, so it doesn't matter which way it goes. You can put either way. So I'm gonna assemble all 4 or 5 lights. I'm gonna install here. Then we will start installing on the ground. Actually, I want to show this light really close. This is a little strong, like solid. It's kind of like aluminum or metal. The both things are like that. LEDs here at the front, if you can see. This one is solid plastic or something. It's like ceramic thing. I can't even tell it's plastic or whatever. That's the things goes here. They go thread in. This piece, they're really strong. I think they're like solid. They can at least longer. I don't remember still, but I will also leave on the video how much I have spent for total 12, because I got a couple coupons and I have some credit left on the Amazon. Now let's install on the ground. I have a RAN wire already here from my controller. I just need to make a connection. I'm gonna bring my camera closer. I show you how I make a connection. Everybody have a different way or technique. I'm gonna show you how I make connections here. So first you need to mark where you want to install. I have made this little tool for the light. You can measure how deep it's gonna go. You can go deeper than this one. You don't have to like this deep. I made a mark here. I'm gonna make a little hole with this one. You can use anything else you have it. So now I'm gonna try to poke this light if it goes in to my mark. Okay, so actually I'm not supposed to push too much weight here because this piece is like metal or plastic. But anyway, I did it so far. Nothing happened. I'm gonna untie these one. So here, you want to cut this wire, you can cut it. They give you a little longer wire. Let me see how far long. It's about like 3 feet. I'm gonna keep it like that. I will zip tie around. I have to strip this side. This side already. So now we're gonna use the wire nut came with it. This one is gel type and they have a plastic cap, little hole middle. We're gonna poke through, and as we are poking, we're gonna spin. And tie really good. I got one. This one you don't have to be that big wire, but this one mine is thick, it's 12 gauge. You can use, mine is 12, you can either use a 14 because the low voltage is 3 watt, it's not gonna be really high amperage draw here. So I made both connections here. What I can do, either we can tape it, or I'm going to put some zip tie here. I'm gonna cut the extra one, and I will put some rocks on it. Just cover all around with rocks or whatever the area. If you have a dirt, you can put dirt on it. This area is not a sprinkler area. This one have a drip system, so I'm not really worried about the water because I have a drip system for. It's only raining might be gonna get there, but we have a really gel tie wire nuts. They're gonna be really good until water not gonna be there like for 2-3 inch. Now we're gonna install all the other lights using the same technique. So far I have installed all the lights. I have installed 1, 2, 3, 1 in the corner, 4, installed 1 here, 5, and 1 here, 6. I have installed the 6 of lights. So 36 watts today total I added. So now I'm gonna wait till a little bit dark, then we will test those lights how they look. It's about 8 p.m. right now, and a little bit dark, not really dark, and my backyard lights are came on. These are the spotlights for the trees, and these are the landscaping lights. This one, the old one, I want to show so we can compare something. These are like a 4 watts, and now those are the lights we have installed already. They look like this right now. As you can see, it's not really dark. I believe they look really pretty right now, and we'll see how they're gonna go. So I have all the 6 lights are working right now. I'm gonna go from far and show you the view. When they're gonna be a little dark, they're gonna look really nice, I believe. So that's the final. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.